Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. And here's the problem: if $sign B means B is a father of A number B means B is a mother of A asterisk B means B is a sister of A, and A at B means B is a husband of A, which of the following indicates that N is a grandmother of P? So as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So how we are going to approach this problem? Take a look. We have different codes here, but every time we have a relationship of B to A, B to A, B to A. So this is important. Now let's pay attention what each pair give us. For example, $sign means that B is a father of A. So we can put F here. $sign means father, and we can put F here, and we can put F here. And next, number means mother, so we can put M here, M here, and M here. Next, asterisk means sister, so we can put S here and here. And the last sign means husband, so we put H here. So now we can solve this problem, but again, pay attention, because everywhere we see that relationship of B to A. So that means that, for example, the first line we read from right to left. So N is a father of M, M is a mother of Q, Q is a sister of P. So let's draw a pedigree so we would better understand what we see here. But again, some of you may say that if N is a father of M, N cannot be a grandmother. So we can cross out this answer right away, but I want you to show how to build a pedigree and solve this type of problems, and to cross out you always would be able to do. So N is a father of M, so N is a father of M. And as you see, M is a mother of Q. So we circle M is a mother of Q. And Q is a sister of P. So he is a Q and she is a sister of P. And sex of the P is not known, so we use this sign. And again, we have to find which indicates that N is a grandmother of P. And again, as I said, right away we see that N is a male. And N is a grandfather of P. So this is, again, wrong answer. So let's check variant B. And we see here that N is a mother of M. So let's build a pedigree, and N this time is a mother of M, and M is a father of Q. So put a box around M. M is a father of Q. And so Q here. And Q is a husband of P. So Q is a husband of P. So that means that P is female. Again, relationship between N and P doesn't exist. Q would be grandson of N, and P would be a wife of the grandson of N. So again, we are looking for situation where N is a grandmother of P. So let's check the last answer, and here we see that M is a sister of N. So M is a sister of N. We also can add parents on top. Those, they are not mentioned, but for full picture we can add them here. And N is a father, so N is a father of Q. So we put a box here around N, and he is a father of Q. And Q is a mother of P. So Q is the mother of P. Sex of the P is not specified, so we put the sign. Again, we are looking for the relationship between N and P. N have to be a grandmother of P, but we see that N is a grandfather of P, so none of the answers are correct except answer D, that none of this. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.